Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Lovable app on App Store. So let's get started. First of all, you get to preview the application that you just created using Lovable. And now you can see that this is a simple to-do task application that I created. Next, you're going to make sure that your application is published over here. So you're going to click on publish over here and continue with the URL. Or you can also change the URL by clicking on this icon over here. So I'm just going to let this URL be and simply copy the URL and go to another search bar and type in convert web app to native. And there are numerous applications that you can choose. They all do pretty much the same thing. But I personally like median.co. So I'm going to go with median.co. And once you head over to median.co, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you're going to simply paste the URL that you copied over here. And after that, you're going to click on build your app and you will be redirected to the interface of median.co, where you'll be asked to type down your name and organization and then click on start building my app. After that, you'll be redirected to app branding, so you can upload your icons and change the application theme colors and other things if you want to do so. And right here at the right side, you'll be able to see a simulator. So you can see all of the changes that you apply right here side by side. And next, you're going to go to build and download. And over here for IPA files, you'll need to configure signing in. So make sure that you have authorized your certificate and provisioning profile. And after that, you'll be able to see this build button unlock. So you can simply click on build and you'll be able to see a download button. So simply click on download and the IPA file will be downloaded. After that, you're going to head over to App Store Connect and make sure that you have a developer account for the App Store Connect. You're going to pay the $99 fee, but that is only a one-time fee. Once you pay that fee, you'll be able to upload all of the IPA files to the App Store using App Store Connect. And that is basically how you can publish your Lovable app on App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.